Hi everyone, I am Dr. M.S. Tamboli. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Friends, this video is going to be very useful to the students of SYBA Special English 1 of Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune for the preparation of their semester 4 examination. In this part of the video, we are going to have discussion on G.B. Shaw's drama Arms and the Man. The video contains the important notes about the dramatist and the drama, which will be very useful for the students to solve multiple choice questions on Special English 1 paper of the syllabus prescribed for the students of English by Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. So friends, let's get started. So here is the first point. G.B. Shaw was born on 20th July 1856. So question likely to be asked, when was G.B. Shaw born? Second, G.B. Shaw was an Irish playwright or dramatist. So, to which country he belongs to? He belongs to Ireland. Third, G.B. Shaw got the Nobel Prize for his literature in 1925. So, remember which highest prize was received by G.B. Shaw? It's Nobel Prize in 1925. 4. G.B. Shaw died on 2nd November 1950. 5th. G.B. Shaw was influenced by the writing of Henrik Ibsen, who was a Norwegian writer. 6. G.B. Shaw got Academy Award for his literature in 1939. So after Nobel Prize, he got another award, that is Academy Award for his literature in 1939. 7. Some other significant works of G.B. Shaw are Man and Superman, St. John, Mrs. Warren's Profession. Then 8. G.B. Shaw's Arms and the Man was first produced in 1894 at the Avenue Theatre. So this is to be remembered, that when Arms and the Man was first produced and where. So it was staged at Avenue Theatre. Then G.B. Shaw's Arms and Man was first published in 1898. So as a book, it was first published in 1898. So the question will be, when was Arms and Man published? Question 10. The title of the play Arms and the Man has been taken from the opening words of Virgil's Aeneid. So this title Arms and the Man, the source of this title is Virgil's Aeneid. So that question will be asked, that where G.B. Shaw has taken his title from. 11. Arms and the Man is a comedy. So what kind of drama is Arms and the Man? Answer is comedy. 12. The theme of Arms and Man is futility of war. So what is the theme of Arms and the Man? It is futility or uselessness of war. 13. Arms and the Man deals with Serbo-Bulgaria war. So which war has been showed in the drama? It is a Serbia and Bulgaria war. 14. Raina is the heroine of the drama Arms and the Man. So Raina is the central female character and the heroine of the drama. Then Catherine Petkoff is mother of Raina. Who is the mother of Raina? This question is to be asked. And Sergius is the war hero and Raina's fiance, means would-be husband. So Sergius is would-be husband of Raina. 17. Luca is a maid servant of Petkoff's family. So who is Luca? Luca is a maid servant of Petkoff's family, and she is engaged to Nicholas. 18. Major Paul Petkoff is a Bulgarian army officer. So he is a major. His rank is major in Bulgarian army, and he is Raina's father. Captain Bluntschli is a Swiss soldier. He belongs to Switzerland, and he fights with Serbian soldiers against Bulgaria. Then 20. Sergius Saranov flirts Luca, who is a maid servant in the house of Petkoff, and even though Sergius is engaged to Raina, he flirts Luca. And Raina keeps the picture of Sergius in her room. 22. Sergius is called as Pyrrhonic hero. So this name is given to Sergius for his heroic deeds. Then in the opening scene, Luca tells Raina how to close the window without locking it entirely shut. So what does Luca tell to Raina in the opening scene? So the answer is this one. 24. Petkoff's house is situated near the Dragoman Pass. So where is Petkoff's house situated? So answer is the Dragoman Pass. 25. Catherine has installed an electric bell for the servants in Petkoff's house. So this is to be remembered, that there is an electric bell for the servants in Petkoff's house. 26. Raina hides Bluntschli and helps him to escape with the old coat of her father. So he is a Serbian soldier, and to save himself from Bulgarian soldiers, he hides into the house of Raina, and Raina helps him to escape from there with the old coat of her father. Then the library is a symbol of wealth in the drama. So what is the symbol of wealth as shown in the drama? It is the library. Then 28. The Serbs are allied with Austrian in the war. So there is unity between Serbian and Austrian in the war. Then Bluntschli, 29. Bluntschli requests Raina to let him sleep. So he is so tired of the war that he requests her to let him sleep. Then 30. Arms and the Man is. So what kind of drama is Arms and the Man? So it is a marriage comedy, it is a social satire and comedy of manners. Then Raina puts the picture of herself in the coat given to Bluntschli. So Raina is attracted towards Bluntschli, and she puts her own picture in the coat which she gives to Bluntschli. Then 32. Sergius resigned his army commission. So what is the reason behind his resignation from army commission? Because he is angry that he will never be promoted. Then 33. Luca gets engaged to Captain Sergius at the end of the play. Earlier she is engaged to Nicola, but at the end of the play she gets engaged to Captain Sergius. 34. Nicola earns a job of manager at the end of the play. So what job does Nicola get at the end of the play? So he gets the job of manager. 35. Sergius' charge against the Serbs was successful. So why Sergius' charge against the Serbians was successful? Because Serbians had wrong cartridges. Then 36. Bluntschli compares. So what Bluntschli compares Sergius to? So Bluntschli compares Sergius to Don Quixote. So it is a Spanish character known for his adventure. Then 37. Raina calls Bluntschli by the nickname. So what nickname is given to Bluntschli by Raina? So she gives that name, the chocolate soldier. Remember this. 38. Catherine Petkov wears a tea gown at all the time. What does she wear? Catherine wears a tea gown all the time. The entire play or setting of Arms and the Man is in Bulgaria. So what is the setting of this play? It is in Bulgaria. Or where does this entire play takes place? 40. The play ends in the engagements. So there are number of engagements of Raina and Bluntschli, Sergius and Luca. 41. Raina dislikes the cruelty of war. So what does Raina dislike? She dislikes cruelty of war. So these are some of the notes regarding multiple choice questions which are likely to be asked in your examination for semester 4. So thank you very much for being with me in this part of the video, and we are going to see multiple choice questions related highlights or points in the next video, which is going to be on Girish Karnad's Fire and the Rain. So thank you very much.